Kerdi board building panels can be used to create tile substrates over masonry walls that are flat, plumb, and square. Kerdi board brings the additional benefits of waterproofing and thermal insulation. Check out our Working with Kerdi board video for all of the details on cutting, fastening, and waterproofing Kerdi board. The board can be installed by spot bonding or fully embedding panels with thin-set mortar over the existing wall. When spot bonding, the minimum board thickness to be used is 3/8 inch. When fully embedding the board, any thickness is suitable. Let's start with the spot bonding technique. Using any Schluter thin-set mortar or another suitable thin-set mortar, place mortar spots on the Kerdi board panel or directly onto the substrate approximately 12 inches apart. The mortar must bond to the wall and mechanically anchor the fleece on the surface of the Kerdi board. Make sure that the surface is clean and free of any contaminants that could weaken the bond between the board and the existing wall. Apply the panels to the wall and press them firmly into place. Install adjacent panels tightly to one another and align. Align them with a straight edge or a level and check for plumb. When fully embedding Kerdi board, the process is similar. Make sure the existing wall is clean and free of any contaminants that could weaken the bond between the board and the existing wall. Apply thin-set mortar to the substrate with a notched trowel. Use a notch size large enough to ensure full mortar coverage to the Kerdi board. Apply the panels to the wall and solidly embed them in the mortar. When the bond between the thin-set mortar and the substrate is questionable, additional mechanical anchoring is required. For example, you can use Kerdi board ZSD anchors or Kerdi board ZT washers and appropriate screws. In spot bonding applications, fastener locations must line up with mortar spots. You can mark the Kerdi board before applying the mortar spots to help with this process. Fasteners are installed after the mortar is hardened. If waterproofing is desired or required, seal all joints, corners, and fastener penetrations using Kerdi band and thin-set mortar, making sure the required 2-inch overlap is achieved at all locations. Tile can be installed immediately using Schluter thin-set mortar or an unmodified thin-set mortar. Schluter Kerdi board is the ideal way to prepare masonry walls for tile. Schluter Kerdi board. Build it, tile it, love it.